Good morning, sir. Myself Abhishek Kumar and I am a chemistry faculty. For this demo video, I have selected a topic from the chemistry which is a mole concept. So we'll discuss about this only. So first of all, we have to understand about the mole, right? So before before going into the mole concept, we should know about the what is mean by mole. So as we know, in our day-to-day life, we are using dozen, right, to represent something in a fixed quantity, which is 12 piece. If anything is present in the 12 piece, then we are simply calling it as it is present in one dozen, right? So same way, to represent the certain quantity, certain amount of the substance in the chemistry, we are using a mole, right? We are using a mole. So this mole represents some number, some quantity of the atom, some quantity of the molecule, or some quantity of the ion. If the atoms, molecules, or anything is present in this much of number, then we are calling it as it is present in the 1 mole, right? So if this much of atoms of sodium is present, then we can say it is sodium is present in 1 mole. Then we can say it is a sodium is present in 1 mole. So similarly, in the mole concept, we are going to relate the relation between the moles, mass, volume, particles and all. So we will see. So for example, if we can discuss about it in further, so if we'll take one example, like 1 mole of carbon is there, right? 1 mole of carbon is there. Then what are the information we can find it out from here? So what is the mass of 1 mole of carbon? What would be the mass of 1 mole of carbon? So it will be about 12 gram. So it will be a 12 gram, right? Similarly, what would be the volume of the 1 mole of carbon? So it will be a 12 liter at STP. So here STP is nothing but a standard temperature and pressure. So which temperature and pressure is called as a standard? So 273 Kelvin we can call it as a standard temperature, and 1 atm we can call it as a standard pressure. Similarly, what would be the number of atoms of carbon in 1 mole? So it will be a 6.022 into 23 atoms of carbon. So this much number will be there in the 1 mole of carbon. So this one is a mass, this one is a mass, number of atoms like particles, and this is the volume. So we will see in the mole concept relation between these three only, right? So we have the relation in such that, like moles and mass. So this mass is nothing but in the form of gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. So number of moles is equal to number of moles will be like a mass of any substance, mass of given substance, but in the form of gram, divided by mass of that substance in 1. It is the gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. So GAM is a gram atomic mass and GMM is a gram molecular mass. Similarly, this is the first relation. Second relation, we have moles and volume. So volume is generally we are using for the gaseous particle or gaseous substance. So number of moles is equal to given volume of substance divided by 22.4 liter at STP. This is the second relation between moles and volume. And third one is moles and particles. So here particles can be atom, can be molecule, or can be ions. So the third relation is moles and particles. So it will be also similarly, number of moles is equal to given number of given number of particles divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, this number is called as a Avogadro number, and it is represented by Na. So if anything is present in 1 mole, then the quantity of that substance will be this much, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and this number is called as a Avogadro number. So up to this much only in this demo video. Thank you.